My name is George Baswa from Lillian Baswa Studio, and today we are going to learn about how to bring back our Photoshop brush outline. A lot of questions have come out that, oh, I was working on something and now I can't see my Photoshop outline like mine, but I can brush on anything, but outline is still not working. What can we do? What can we do? If I change the brush size, still working, but I can't see my brush outline. Check your caps lock key. It's on. So the caps lock key is used to bring back the outline or make it disappear. That's it for today. Thank you guys for watching this video. And if you like it, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye.